Hello guys. Um, Today I'm a little bit sick, but I'll be back right now. Back. So today we're going to be playing my favorite game. And I tell you something, you guys should really try it out. But I'm playing on my friend's phone. We have the same phone. That's what's cool about it. And she has the same games I have since we like to play. But I downloaded this Pineapple Pen game and I haven't played it since so I thought I would try it. So I thought I would try it out. If you guys heard that big scream thingy, I don't know what it was, but it always happens. You guys want to see a big pineapple? He's fat. He gives you a lot of money. I just know that part since my cousin just showed me that part. But what do we do this one? Do we? Wait, guys. I feel like there is something in my house that's making that noise. I think I should go outside. Okay, guys, I'll make this short. Bye.